The Q501 series blade is made for structural steel. It comes with a hard, sharpened tooth that makes I-beam square tubing easier to cut without any vibration or stripping of the teeth. The uniqueness of this blade is the tooth pattern. It got a wider tooth pattern that keeps it from pinching and making the blade hot and making it lose its sharpness at the same time. You can bundle cut with this blade anywhere between 5 and 10 pieces at a time, maybe a ½ inch, 1 inch at the most. The Q501 comes in 3/4 to 2 inch, and also you can get it from 8/11 all the way to 4/6 tooth pitch. You can use this blade on any kind of saw that's made for metal cutting. If you need a blade that's made for structural steel, go online to Sawblade.com and order any size blade you need. We have it in stock and ready to ship. Thanks for watching. I'm Ernesto Aguilera. I'm with Sawblade.com. We are your competitive advantage.